Hi everybody, so welcome to my channel Shamin Eyes. I hope you're having fun with it. So today the tutorial is about me using and trying some new products out. So I'm also gonna be reviewing those products in this video. I recently got this Nykaa Rosehip Cold Pressed Oil, and I'm gonna be mixing this with my foundation, and I have got this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm in the shade 128 Nude. I'm mixing few drops of this in my foundation. I'm taking this brush from PSC 004. This is a blending brush, and I'm taking this residual on my brush. I'm gonna go with my PAC Spotlight Concealer in the shade Sand. This is really a heavy concealer, so keep in mind while using it. I am using a bit more because I've used a very light coat of the base, and it dries up really quickly, so make sure that you really blend it fast. I'm using a beauty blender. So I have put concealer on my T-zone, and I'm blending it really fast because it tends to get dry very quickly. So I'm using this, it's very old Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. It's little lighter in shade, so I'm using this more like a highlighter. Places where I feel needs more concealer because it's dark. So now I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. It's my favorite makeup product, and I'm in the shade Light Medium 20. So I'm going to bake my under eyes a bit. Now I'm going to contour my face. I'm using this Makeup Revolution Fast Base stick in the shade F13 to contour. I'm taking this PAC brush 065 to blend in further. Okay, I completely forgot my nose, so let's blend in the nose too. So now I'm going to use this Fit Me Loose powder, to powder my T-zone a bit, and also the contour or the areas where I have not contoured. I'm going to use a little bit of this powder to contour my nose and make it look more sharp. Now can you see how sharp my nose looks? I'm going to dust completely if there's any excess powder on my face. So now my face, base and powdering and contouring is done. So I'm gonna move to my eyes, And for that also I've got a new product that I'm going to show you. This is Wet n Wild Retractable Brow Pencil, and this is a very good product. I've used it just once and I really loved it. So I'm going to start brushing my brows with the other end. This is how it looks, and now I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows. So I've done my eyebrows and they look nicer and thicker, as you can see. So now I'm gonna go with my eyeshadow. I'm using this Jaclynhill palette from Morphe brushes. This is how it looks. So for my crease, I'm gonna go with this shade. Okay, now I'm gonna go with this shade. I'm actually making a blue smoky eyes, you know, because black smoky eyes are so yesterday. So I'm going to use this brush from Nika. This is an eyeshadow brush. I'm going to use this shade only on my lids. Now I'm gonna go with this dark, really dark brown to smoke up the eyes. I'm going with this dark brown only, you know, on my outer edges of my eyes. So you can see the smoky eyes, but I've kept it like really sharp. And now I'm gonna blend the crease color and the lid color and everything together with a brush without any color on. So now I'm gonna use this shade, the number 1 shade, to highlight my brow bones. Yeah, I'm gonna take this brush, the same blue color. Okay, so the brown again, I'm gonna go with the brown and give a little effect of smoky eyes on my lower lid. I'm using this fat long-lasting kohl pencil in the shade beige for my waterline. Cool, so I'm almost done with my eyeshadow look. So I'm going to do my lashes now. Let's curl it up first. So now I'm going to apply the mascara from Flower Beauty. Look at this wand. It's beautiful. My eyes are ready and this mascara is bae. This is from Wet n Wild. You Are Dragging Me Down. It's their special collection and I don't know how long it will last. But yeah, I am suggesting you to get your hands on this. It's really good. To contour my nose a bit with this. Next I'm going to go for this Flower Pot Flower Beauty blush on in the shade Warm Hibiscus for my cheeks. Just smile for this. Gonna blend it more. This blush on is wow. Can you look at this? Isn't it like wow? Cool. Then my favorite is blush on, mascara, eyebrows, and the most favorite is highlighter. I'm gonna go with the Flower Beauty highlighter that I have not used till now. Okay, this is Shimmer and Strobe Highlighting Palette. Look at the shades. Gorgeous. So I'm gonna go with this brush that they have already provided with this, and I'm gonna go with the first shade. Ooh! Look at this! I love blinding, so I'm gonna put more of it and play with it. Some on top of the eyebrows, of course the nose, and the bridge. Not the whole nose, you know, always like upper bridge of the nose and the tip. And some on my cheeks. I'm going to use this and blend it properly. Take a little bit of it. Taking the same highlighter for the corner of my eyes. I'm just a shining baby. Now I'm gonna go for my lipstick and I'm gonna keep it like really nude. So I'm using this this is from Maybelline. This shade is Clay Crush. It's the creamy matte range. Oops, I forgot my lip liner. I'm using this lip liner from Nykaa Lips Don't Lie in the shade Pillow Fight. It's beautiful. I'm going to use this Nykaa Lip Strobe to give a little shine to my lips. Wow. So I've applied this and look at it. It's beautiful. It, you know, like just brought the whole look, and the look came together with this lip strobe and the highlighter. And so last but not the least, I'm using this e.l.f. setting spray. I love this, I love this. So okay, now with this stippling brush, I am gonna mix up and blend everything together. So I have used some of this highlighter on my neck collar. Okay, so this is my final look, guys. Look at this highlighter. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Bye. See you again in my next tutorial. Keep reading my blogs, keep watching my tutorials, and subscribe to my website shaminize.com and follow me on Instagram IAMSHAMIN. That's my username. And yeah, bye. I hope you liked it.